My name is Akoniganeyo Atanda. I hail from Nigeria. I hold a Bachelor of Education degree in Teacher Education and Political Science/Economics from the University of Ibadan in the year 2006. In addition, I hold a Master degree in Educational Technology from the same institution in the year 2010. I am a certified teacher with the Teacher Registration Council of Nigeria. Teaching is a life passion. I've been instructing students of all ages for the past 11 years, and that I shaped a philosophy that every learner is unique in terms of learning style. We have categories of learners. We have the gifted, we have the slow learners, and some who are in between. And as a teacher, when you're teaching the class, you must ensure that you carry every student along in such a way they'll be able to understand what you are teaching. And that's one also shapes the teaching style the teacher is going to employ. When you're employing teaching style, it depends on the type of student you're taking, and at the same time you must incorporate different teaching methodology in order to cater for the needs of all learners you are taking care of. You want to take English, for instance, to a beginner. You must be making use of total physical response. What do I mean? The teacher must be able to use his body and facial expression to relay the meaning of what he or she is trying to teach, so that the learner will be able to understand better what he's saying. You also make use of pictures to convey the meaning of what you're taking, so that this one will not be able to confuse the learners and they'll be able to understand very well. And at the same time, you use minimal grammar, and you must be ready to demonstrate what you are intend to teach. When you demonstrate, the learner will learn better, they will understand the concept very well, because you are showing them what you want them to understand. At the same time, as a teacher, you must be able to be perseverant, because learners are not the same. But the fact they are not the same, you must be ready to carry them along, irrespective of the level of their understanding, where they are in the ladder of learning. And the teacher also should be ready to incorporate technology in the teaching, because there's no way we can roll out technology in the era we have today. As an education technologist, I make use it in my learning, my teaching, because you must ensure that you incorporate blended learning. And when you do this, you ensure that you group the students in such a way that you as a teacher will serve as a guidance. You are the instructor, and that you must be able to manage the time. You give them topic, group the students. This one is also an example of teaching method in which you are using exploratory method. When you do this, the student will come together, learn together, and from there they will understand your points. From this angle, as a teacher, when you're teaching students, you'll be able to manage your time. Make sure that the concept you're taking is well understood. And for you to understand whether you're actually getting your points, do not forget as a teacher to come up with evaluation. You must be ready to evaluate them, so that in the process of evaluation, you will know whether they are actually getting your point or not.